The Northwood Rangers are rolling in the TAAC, 5-1, visiting Maumee Valley Country Day. The Hawks only dressed 6 players, but they're making the most of who they have. First quarter, Antonio Villa gets the roll, and that pulls the Hawks within 1. Rangers control the glass still in the first. A missed 3 works out as a pass. Zoe Turner swoops in for the board and the bucket. Up 3 in the second, Rangers work it down low, but Bethany Gillespie finds Randy Wilson. They're back in front by 9 at the break. The second half is all Northwood. Autumn Schroeder finishes in transition. The Rangers pull away and win 53-30, bolstered by second half adjustments that extend the whole season.
We just learned how to work the ball around more and play to our strengths, play to our players' strengths and everything. No days off. We're going to stay on our grind and make sure that we go out there and play as aggressive and hard as we can.
Jason Griffin and Brandon Bosch join us with more.
A Toledo Area Athletic Conference matchup between Northwood and Maumee Valley on the girls' side tonight. And Brandon, it was a close game in the first quarter. Maumee Valley came in with just 6 players, so certainly that was going to be an issue. They gave them a good run in the first quarter, but then Northwood kind of pulled away.
Yeah, you really saw that in the second half. Northwood did pull away, but you got to give a lot of credit to Coach Blackman's team. Through that first quarter especially, we saw a team that was really willing to battle on both ends of the floor. They were able to hit some shots early, keep themselves in the game. As you saw late in the second half, didn't have their first field goal until almost about 3 minutes left in the fourth quarter, and that's just not a recipe for success, especially against a Northwood team that's looking to challenge for the TAAC title this year.
Northwood improves to 6-1 in the TAAC, that lone loss against Toledo Christian. Randy Wilson was a force. Certainly they had no answer for her. She finished with 17 points and at least 10 rebounds.
Yeah, and you talk about not only Randy Wilson, but you've got Zoe Turner as well, who had a great game tonight for Northwood. And I think if you're going to be able to take down that Toledo Christian team here in the rematch coming up, you're going to need everyone to be on top of their game. It's going to be a big matchup here, like we said, 6-1 in the lead, Toledo Christian undefeated, the defending TAAC champions. Going to take a lot to knock them off, but all you need is one great night of basketball, and you might be able to get it done.
On the other side, it was a loss, but Maumee Valley's lone senior, Ms. Villa, had 10 points to lead the way.
Yeah, she really did, and you have to appreciate her effort. As we said, it's a young program, and when you've got young kids, you need senior leadership to bring those players along, and Coach Blackman, I'm sure, is appreciative of it, and you hope that the improvement that those players have over their 4 years here is really a testament not only to her, but to Villa as well.
So Northwood improves to 6-1 in the TAAC. They get it done against Maumee Valley on the road. 53-30 was the final score.